Okay, next, BB's up again. On YouTube syndication for the branded network, is it okay to use the description in the recipe? No, I don't recommend that. YouTube and RSS of Money site gets syndicated there. So you mean the description in the recipe? You mean take the YouTube video description and syndicate that out? You know, it depends on how you, okay, the blanket statement, I'm going to say no, because as soon as I say, yeah, it's okay to do that, people are going to go out, and I've seen a lot of people's YouTube descriptions that are absolutely spammy as can be, because they put a big block of keywords, or they put a shit ton of external links and all of that kind of stuff in their video description. That's fine. If you want to spam your video description on YouTube, it's okay. It's perfectly fine. But when you start to syndicate your description out to the networks, if it's a real spammy description, then it's likely that those accounts, the Web 2.0 accounts that you're syndicating to, get terminated. How do I know that? Because I've had it happen many, many times, which is specifically why we developed the recipes or the applets and IFTTT the way that we did. Because when you're just syndicating the video itself and perhaps a link back to the video or to a playlist or to a channel or a combination of those, then it's fine. It's very rare that I've ever had a Web 2 terminated from that type of a syndicated description, or from the applet. In other words, the description that the applet publishes. But in the past, when I've done full YouTube video description syndication along with the video, I've had many, many times Web 2.0 accounts shut down, and it's mainly because the video description was a bit spammy. So just be careful. If you're going to syndicate the YouTube description, just be sure that the video description is not spammy, doesn't contain a shit ton of external links and all that kind of stuff. Okay.